Good morning, students. It's VK Misra in front of you with my topic fraction. Do you know bachon fraction? Fraction. Fraction is the part of a whole. Fraction is the part of a whole. Suppose you have taken an apple, whole apple, and if you have cut it into two parts, so each part will be known as a fraction. Okay? If you have taken a triangle, made its three equal parts, so each part will be known as a fraction. And if you have taken a rectangle, made it into different parts just like 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each part will be known as a fraction. Suppose you have taken a square and you have divided it into whole equal parts. So each part will be known as fraction. Okay? Suppose you have taken another shape just like a kite, and if you have divided into two equal parts, so each part will be known as a fraction. Okay? So class, what will be this fraction known as? The basic question comes, what will be this fraction known as? And before that, let me tell you how the fraction is represented. So actually fraction is represented by a horizontal line that is called upon, and the above portion is called numerator, and below that there is denominator. Okay, so this is numerator upon denominator. Suppose this part, how many parts are there? 2. So the number of parts will be known as denominator. So 2 will be denominator. And how many I have taken? 1. So this will be known as 1 upon 2. Suppose I have made it 3 parts. So denominator will be 3. And how many I have taken? That is 1. So this will be 1 upon 3. If I have taken 2 parts, it will be 2 upon 3. If I have taken 3 parts, that will be 3 upon 3. So 3 upon 3 is called whole. Okay. Here I have made 8 parts, 8 equal parts. And so your 8 equal parts will be, number of parts will be known as denominator 8. Suppose I have taken 3 parts out of 8. So the shaded portion will be 3 upon 8. If I have taken 4, it will be 4 upon 8. If I have taken 5, it will be 5 upon 8. If I have taken 8 out of 8, it will be 8 upon 8. And if your numerator and denominator both are same, so that will be known as whole. Okay, the next one, this is square. I have divided it into 4 equal parts. So your 4 will be denominator. And how many I have taken? Suppose I have taken 3. So this fraction will be known as 3 upon 4. Okay, if I have taken one part out of 2 from the kite, So 2 is the denominator, and 1 that I have taken, it is called 1 upon 2. Is it clear? So here numerator is 1, denominator is 2, numerator is 1, denominator is 3, numerator is 3, denominator 8, numerator is 3, denominator 4, numerator is 1, denominator 2. Okay. Suppose I have taken 2 parts out of 2, it will be 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 means whole. If I have taken 3 out of 3, it will be 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 will be called whole. And here, if I have taken 8 out of 8, so it will be 8 upon 8. And 8 upon 8 is a whole. And here, if I have taken 4 out of 4, it will be 4 upon 4. This is also whole. And if I have taken 2 out of 2, it will be also known as 2 upon 2. That is a whole. Okay, class? Do you know this 1 upon 2 is called? This is called half. 1 upon 2 is called half. And 1 upon 3 is called 1/3. Suppose I have taken 2, so it will be 2 upon 3rd. And this is 3/8. And 3/4. 3/4. 3/4 is also called 3/4. And 1 upon 2, that is called half. Bachcho, if you take a glass of water and drink a half portion, so which fraction have you drunk? That is 1 upon 2. If you have drunk 3/4, so it will be 3 upon 4. Okay, I think you have understood it. Okay, so let me move to the next point. So bachcho, let us see the fraction which is to be shaded. And here in the first one, the fraction is written as 1 upon 4. So which part will you shade? See how many parts are there? 4. So these 4 parts that decide number of fractions. So here it is 4. So 4 parts is there. So suppose 1 upon 4, for 1 upon 4, how many you have to shade? 1. So you have to shade it 1. And here the fraction is 2 upon 3. So see, you have, there are 3 parts here. So how many you will shade? 2. Okay. And here 7 upon 8. For 7 upon 8, so you have to see the image. You have to see the diagram. How many parts are there in this triangle? There are 8 parts. So how many you have to take? You have to take all 7. Leave 1 only. So you have to shade 7 parts. I hope you are enjoying. Okay, 7 upon 8. And for 4 upon 8, so how many parts are there? Your denominator will decide number of parts. So there are 8 parts. So you will see you have to take 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 4 parts are shaded. It is 4 upon 8, and you see it is half portion is shaded. It is also called half. Okay, and the next one, for fraction as per shaded part, you have to write fraction. So how many parts are there? Okay, very good. That is 4 parts. So out of 4, how many are shaded? 1. So your fraction will be 1 upon 4. And here how many parts are there? 4. How many are shaded? 2. So your fraction will be 2 upon 4. Here, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of 10, how many are shaded? 3. So it will be 3 upon 10. And here, this apple is divided into how many parts? 2. One part is taken, it will be 1 upon 2. So in this way, we know the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Numerator is the portion which is written above the horizontal line, and denominator is the number which is written below the line. So in this way, this is the basic first part of fraction. I hope you have enjoyed. Okay. So बच्चों, if you have liked the session, you may like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, for today it's all. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.